Hello everyone, welcome into Escaver. Today in this tutorial we will see how to install Selenium and add dependency Selenium and Chrome driver into project. So let's begin. Open Chrome, right, Maven dependency. Click on Maven repository and search Selenium. Click on search Selenium Java. Here you can view the different versions of Selenium. Click on 4.13.0. Copy this Selenium dependency. Open IntelliJ. You need to add the dependency into form.xml. Click on this. After adding this Selenium dependency, you need to add the Chrome driver dependency. Click on this search bar, write WebDriver Manager, and then click on search button. WebDriver Manager. Here you can view the WebDriver Manager. Click on this and click on this latest version 5.6.3. Click on this. You need to add dependency into dependency sections. After adding this dependency into pom.xml, you will need to reload the project. Right click and click Maven. After this, reload the project. After clicking on this, dependency will be stored into your system, into your project. After adding dependency, you can verify the dependency from on this side. Import org dot selenium dot WebDriver. You can add a main method from this. Just you need to type the main and enter. And if you want to print any line, just write SOUT and enter. And here you can print any word. Here you can view some error. Now, here you can view. You can also go to any URL driver.get. First of all, you need to initialize the device driver manager. WebDriver manager dot Chrome driver dot set. Web driver is equal to new Chrome driver dot get. Here we enter the URL in which URL we want to go. For example, I write this Right click and run the login activity. Our login test case will be executed. Chrome driver is successfully open. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel.